Big Ten. I am the Big Ten. Whoa.
Hi ladies. Okay, so behind me actually looks a little bit tidier. We are doing trains with Charlie at the moment, and I just wanted to give you guys like a really quick update really on his speech and language therapy appointment. So he's just had his 3rd birthday and you had a lovely time. Can you show the ladies your balloon? Bring your balloon. Bring it over. There's Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hiya.
There's your balloon. Did you have a nice bring it back over here. Where are you going with it? You see all his birthday cards up there. What are you doing? So during the appointment, she kind of did a few little things like this, kind of to see how he plays and taking it in turns, things like that. He did really well with that. She was saying like, my turn. And then he was like pointing and going like this to say like your turn, which is really, really cute. And then we did like a ready, steady, go thing. So she would hold a car and then she'd go ready, steady. And then she would wait for eye contact and then she'd go, go. And I asked the autistic question because every single one of the comments that I got from my past couple of videos to do with Charlie's behaviour was, he's autistic, definitely autistic, get him checked out for autism, things like that. She, without a doubt, said he does not fall into the autistic box at all. She said a lot of times the children come in, she does the little tests, and they either go into one of 2 categories or like one of 3 categories. He does not fall into that category at all. She said he may have a few little traits. Everyone's on the autistic spectrum anyway. At this moment in time, there is no cause of concern for autism, but I did ask the question actually. You say hi, ladies. Hi. What are you trying to do? We've also got a new sticker chart, haven't we, Charlie? For when Charlie sits nicely and has his bum done and gets changed nicely. Have you got the phone? Who are you going to ring? Look at your beautiful white teeth. And your very long tongue like Daddy. I just got an A4 piece of paper and just wrote Charlie's chart and then just squares going across and down. And he loves it. And he had his bum changed and he was very good. He laid there really nicely without being silly. So he got a sticker for that and he chose his own sticker. You're a good boy. So I think that's going to help a lot because everyone loves stickers. Every child loves stickers. So we also thought that we would put him on the register for see a paediatrician because I had a few concerns about the spinal that he had. So basically when he was 6 weeks old, they popped a needle into his spine and drew out like some brain and spinal column fluid because he had suspected meningitis. And I just wanted to kind of ask the question and see if that had any kind of issues with verbal delay and things like that. That's the only reason, that's the only difference between Harry and Charlie, is that Charlie had that and Harry didn't. Also the difference between Harry and Charlie, so Harry's tantrums were really, really long. He would scream and shout on the floor for so long, and then he'd hold a grudge for about an hour, and he'd be so, so grumpy. Whereas Charlie's tantrums, they just fizzle out really quickly, and I couldn't believe it. And also, we walked into Fareham yesterday. We were walking through the town centre, and there was like these rides on trains, you know, the ones that you put like £1 in. We never actually do that, but he just like, enjoys like sitting on them, and then we're like, come on then, and he's like really struggling to get off the cars because he loves playing with them. Well, he went to get in one and I was like, no, it's okay, we're going to go, we'll come back. And he was like, oh, okay. And then he came and like held my hands and I was like, wow, that was easy. And then we went and got some stickers from B&M and he picked up a toy that he wanted and he was like holding it like this, like walking around the shop. And I thought, right, this is going to be an issue because he always has a tantrum whenever he can't take a toy home. So I said, no, it's okay, darling, we'll just pop that one back because we're going to get the stickers today. And he did, and he sort of went, oh, and then that was it. Like, he held my hand, and he paid the money for the stickers. He, like, gave them my coins, and then he got the ticket, and he held my hand, and he was amazing. I was like, wow, like, he has come so far. It's really good. Also, I don't know if you can see, I have a bruise right here on my nose. What happened, Matt?
I don't know, darling.
Why don't you tell the story?
Oh, you were being a bit rough in the wardrobe where we hide all the presents.
No.
One fell on you.
No. What happened was I'd said to Matt, this was Charlie's birthday.
So I said all the presents that need wrapping
Yeah.
are in the suitcase.
In the suitcase.
And all the ones that don't are on top.
You didn't say that. You did not say that. So I was like, right, okay, they're all in the suitcase. So, and I have to reach up quite high because my, we've got like a walk-in wardrobe type thing, but there's like a shelf at the top. So I went to reach up really high. I dragged the suitcase down, and as I did, there was a book that had been wrapped up from my friend Nikki, and it literally, the corner of it like fell right here. It bashed the inside of my nose. I don't know if you can actually, tiny little bruise there, and it hit my nose, and I was like, brilliant, I'm going to have a black eye now for my little boy's birthday. So I had to like cover it in concealer and makeup. Luckily I've just got a lovely new concealer. It's the waterproof one from Urban Decay. It's so good. It was £20, but Matt gave me some money because he wanted to treat me because he's so sweet like that. So I had to cover myself in that, and it was just hilarious. So all in all, Charlie's birthday went amazing. I'll try and put a few photos in right here. Wow! What is it, babe? Whoa!
Show me. Turn around.
Wow! Look at that!
Wow! Hope you have a very happy birthday.
Oh, and then read it.
To Charlie, happy birthday and have a great
The next one.
Love, Harry.
Good boy. That's beautiful handwriting, Harry. Good job. Right, Charlie, sit down. We'll open the next one. Good opening. What is it? Paw Patrol! Yay! What is it? Should we open it up? Yeah, good job. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to me for free. Hope you enjoyed this update. If you've got any questions, please leave them down below. I'll answer every single question, and I'll see you in the next video. Say bye, ladies. Good waving. Bye, ladies.